Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to discuss about e-waste. Now e-waste are electronic waste and which contains harmful components in it. So it is important to manage e-waste in a proper way. So first we will look at how you will try to reduce the waste which is produced, the e-waste that is produced. Let's try to look at some of the steps that we can take. Some 5 steps we can take, we can ensure that the e-waste is being reduced as much as we can. The first step is to know the lifespan of a product and choose the product which has a good lifespan. Lifespan means if we buy a cheaper product, it is more often that a product will not work for that much long. So it is better to buy a more expensive product which can last longer. So buying a product which can last longer can prevent the production of or producing of e-waste, as we will not throw the product and we will use it for a longer period of time. Second step is to try to reuse the product as much as we can. Now we often do this, that whenever an electronic equipment has some fault or some mistake in it, we always throw it away or we always sell it. So because before that we should always try to repair it. If the product is repairable, we can repair the product and use it again and again. This will prevent the production of e-waste which is harming our environment. Third step is to educate yourself. Now these 5 steps, these basic steps will not change everything. So you must educate yourself before handling with any of the e-waste or any other type of waste. So always do your research on the internet to find out what are the waste management precautions and waste management options that are available for e-waste, so that you can reduce and you can manage these harmful waste accordingly and effectively. Next step is to buy more eco-friendly products that are available in the market. So whenever you visit a store, whenever you visit an electronic store, you'll always identify some of the electronic devices or equipments which are marked as star performer or eco signs, or a sign of or a logo of a leaf which is mentioned over there. So those type of equipments or devices are eco-friendly, which are created with keeping in mind sustainable development of environment as well. Last step is to avoid using electronic devices as much as possible. So nowadays we always use electronic devices and equipments, but there can be some of the instances where we can avoid electronic use and we can do certain jobs manually. So in order to do that, you avoid some of the electronic devices and in place of that do some manual work which can improve your health as well and which will reduce the e-waste as well. Lastly, thank you for watching this video. We will keep on bringing back such videos for you. Thank you.